Okay. So I got this and the shocks, and this piece right here will be really kind of tricky to get back on. It's just having to slip the little nuts into there and stuff. It's just hard. But anyway, that's on, and this is on. So we're about done with the front. All we have to do is put this piece, the front piece, back on. Alright. Now let's see what else all we have to do. Really nothing. I mean, we had to put this plate back on that was covering this up. But then that's it for the front. So let's go ahead and put this back on. Now let's find the screw.
The holidays are a time that I probably cook more than ever. We have a lot of friends over. We like to entertain. The kids like to make special fun cookies that they decorate.
Perfect example why you want to keep organized, because I can't find that big screw that I had.
The buy one get one free, the 10 for 10s, the bonus buy savings, and the gas rewards, they all add up.
This season, make it a Giant holiday. Use your bonus card and save on Giant spiral sliced ham, half or whole, only $1.79.
Here we go.
Blueberries or blackberries.
Yep.
Buy one, get one free.
Perfect example. Okay, now we're just going to put this in. The big screw. Remember, this is the screw I was talking about earlier. That saying that this